Hello, my name is Attorney Van Smith, Managing Partner here at Smith Strong, and if you are facing a need for IVF or infertility treatments, Smith Strong lawyers can help you if you have need for an attorney to examine legal contracts and agreements related to those treatments, or storage concerns, both during marriage and post-separation and post-divorce, and of course, estate planning. Once the children arrive, of course, estate planning is next, and our attorneys are delighted to assist you at every stage along this journey. President Trump recently announced an executive order committed to lowering the cost of IVF and infertility treatments, noting the current cost of $12,000 to $25,000 for most families on average in this country as too high. As the costs come down, demand will likely go up. And so if you are now able to afford IVF and infertility treatments, we'd be delighted to help you understand the legal documents that you're signing, as well as the documents you probably should consider signing, both for the treatment themselves, the storage of the embryos left behind, and then the estate planning and other family law concerns that arise as your journey proceeds. We're equipped to help you. It begins with a Smart Start comprehensive case preparation meeting where we'll examine the legal needs you have, what stage of this journey you're on, and then how we can help at hourly and flat fees. We look forward to helping you. Thank you.